Good morning. Behind me is the Barcelo Papagayo, the big mega hotel. I know I've only just done a video updating for our monthly update on the build, but one of my great followers, DJ Travels 57, has sent me some drone footage that he did all the way over the top, and I tell you what, it is unbelievable. So we're going to go and have a look at the progress in the last sort of week and a half, see what's going on, because there's lots changed, and then I'm going to put the drone footage up so you're going to see an aerial view of what's going on in this hotel. I can't wait. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe, and also I'm going to put the link for DJ Travels 57. Go over and follow him because he's got loads of videos with drone footage of Lanzarote, Playa Blanca and all the way around the UK, loads of different places. Let's go take a look, and I'll tell you what, I can't wait to post you this drone footage. It's going to be unreal. So it's a bit of a different start to our normal videos. I usually start quite close up, but I thought I'd park just here. Look, this is the new road that they've built. I don't know whether they built it specifically for the hotel, but it's a new road in Playa Blanca, and they built this and it leads directly to the Barcelo Papagayo. So I thought I'll park there and I'll come for a walk this way because you can get a really good view of just how big this place is. And when you're now driving into Playa Blanca, this is all you see. It like sticks out so much, especially with that big sort of Chinese temple style reception. And I tell you, it was great that Derek and Julie, DJ Travels, got in touch and said, look, we've done some drone footage over the hotel. Do you want to see it? I was like, yes, I do. Send it to me now. And he's obviously given me permission to post it on our channel. So it looks amazing from the top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for a little walk. I'm going to show you just what's happened around here, some of the new things that I've spotted, and then we'll put the drone footage on, and I'll do a little bit of a voiceover, and we can sort of go through and talk about what we think things are and what we definitely know things are. So it's going to be loads of fun. I'm quite looking forward to this video. The other question that I want to ask you all is, should I buy a drone? So put your comments on once you've seen the video. If you like the drone footage and you'd like to see more videos with drone footage, should I be getting a drone? I'm just scared that I'll probably lose it. Anyway, I digress. Let's go and have a look and see what's going on here. There's a nice view look of the entrance. So you can see lots of glass going in, lots of doors, lots of windows. It's looking fantastic. And this is our lovely lady that gives me all the information and tells me when she thinks it's going to be ready. So hot off the press, I just spoke to my source, the lady that lets all the vans and the lorries in. She's so nice, and she said there are bookings for Easter. So we're talking, I don't know, when's Easter? April, May? She said April, May, there's definitely bookings. Rooms have been blocked off. So there you go. But we're still going to run our competition. So let me know when you think it's going to be open. I'm going September. There's a few people put on here earlier. Some people have put October. I'm still going with September, but I may be wrong. If they're saying they're going to be opening or they've got bookings for Easter, who knows? But I've just seen a gap in that fence. I'm going to get this camera right over and show you. So quite a bit of new stuff going on in there. Now we've already found out that those round things are going to be like a volcano, so that's going to be decorative. And they're on the roof of something, and then down here, look, you've got some kind of canopy tent type thing, which I assume will be some kind of outside eatery maybe. And you can see all the corridors there are built, sort of connecting all the rooms from that side of the hotel all the way down to here, and that beautiful big reception as well. So we're going to go and head a little bit further down. And I know you're all waiting to see that drone footage, and I'm going to put it up in just a second. But let's go and have a look more around the front of the hotel. And there she is, my favourite part, the big structure of the reception area, I think, or the walkway or the skywalk, which is going to look all the way over to Fuerteventura. And it's absolutely huge. Look at that, loads going on there. And just look, it goes all the way down there. Let's go. So you can see here, look, they've also, this is new, and what I didn't see in the last video, well, maybe it was, or I didn't notice it, is the sort of grey stone decorative side. So they've put that up. So I don't know what part this will be, look, but you can see there's some big glass windows there. There's some sort of big grey stones and windows in that area. And it all seems to lead to that big structure there, which I am definitely saying it's going to be the reception area. It's going to be massive, look. Maybe this will be a big car park at the front. Who knows? What do you reckon? So I've made you wait long enough. I'm at the front of the hotel. It's time to send the drone up to get some aerial footage of this amazing hotel. Or should I say, it's time for Derek's video of the drone footage. Now don't forget, DJ Travels 57, it's Derek and Julie. They've got some great drone videos from all over the world and all their travels, so make sure to head over and follow. Also, I want loads of comments as we go through the drone footage and talk about what we see, of what you think things are. I want to know when you think it's going to open, and also I want to know if you think I should buy a drone. Do you want to see some drone footage, or you're more than happy just listening to me drone on in all these videos and show you a little bit of Lanzarote and the Canary Islands? Let me know. Let's go droning.
So here we go. This is a completely different view, and we always walk down the front there and say that these things at the front look like they're going to be, or are going to be, sort of locales and shops. Could this be a big shopping centre where you've got the patchy roof underneath there? Could it be some kind of shopping centre or walk-through area? You've got another building there on the left-hand side that looks like it could be some kind of restaurant. And look at the rooms. Look, you get a really good view of these balconies. So I reckon these ones could possibly be the premium rooms. What do you think? Massive, massive terrace on there with big sliding doors. And just look at the sheer size of this place. Good to see that when we go around the side, we see that there's rooms on the side, but it looks like there's 1, 2, and then another 2, maybe, sort of corridor areas. So there's like double the amount of rooms than we see when we go around the sides. There's that big canopy that I filmed just earlier. And yes, I think that's going to be some kind of restaurant area, outdoor dining maybe. And there's the big circular things which nobody knew what they were. They're going to be volcanoes, pretty much like the volcan. There's my favourite thing, the big Chinese temple, and we get to see the roof of it. And this, of course, if you don't know, is going to be the pool. Now, I wonder if there's only going to be one pool. It looks possibly that way, one very, very big pool. But imagine the amount of space around there. It's going to be huge. And there's that sort of roof area as well. So maybe that isn't a roof area. Maybe there's nothing under there. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. It'd be interesting for us all to have a little bit of a comment session and see what we see and what people spot as well, because I mean, I'm watching this now and there's so many different things going on, isn't there? All these different areas. You can see where the rooms are going to be. The top floor there on the left hand side looks like it's going to be amazing sort of rooms as well. And then you've got all the ones in the middle. It's just huge. Could that be a little another water feature down there? Is that a pool area there? That blue thing that's coming off some of the lower floors? I know they've got a similar sort of thing in the Hesperia in Puerto Calero where you've got sort of your own pool area. Maybe that's a little dip pool for those in the sort of premium rooms on the floor. I don't know. What do you reckon? I want to hear your comments, because this is just phenomenal to see this. And you can see that reception area as well that's going to look over it. It looks as well like it's going to be in a couple of different sections. So we saw the pool area on the left hand side just a minute ago, and then this looks like another one, another area. But is there going to be a pool there? Because I don't see a big massive hole, do you? So what's going to be on that side? So there you go, an amazing view of the hotel. I can't wait for it to be open and I can't wait to get in there. Big thanks to Derek and Julie, DJ Travels. Don't forget, like, follow and subscribe, turn on the notifications and let me know. Do you want to see more drone stuff? I'll tell you what, I'm tempted to go shopping. Let's go.